The OCTA Research team warns that the South African variant can lessen the efficacy of AstraZeneca vaccines. To give us more details on this, we have Greg Gregorio reporting live from Mandaluyong. Greg, good afternoon. How big of a drop in efficacy are we actually talking about here?
Charles, it was actually Father Nicanor Austriaco, a biologist and a fellow of the UP OCTA Research team, who mentioned this study abroad, which says that the 70% efficacy rate of AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine can be lessened to as low as 10% by the South African variant, because according to experts, South African variant, or the B1351 variant of the SARS-CoV-2, has this mutation which causes immune escape and affects the ability of an individual to generate an antibody against a disease. Charles?
All right, Greg, but then how about the other vaccine brands such as Pfizer or Moderna or even Sinovac? Have studies shown that these are more effective against the B1351 variant?
Charles, there are studies abroad saying there are vaccines saying that they can address this variants of concerns across the globe. But just to mention, the Department of Health earlier mentioned that the vaccine of Johnson & Johnson's or Janssen has ability to address the variant. But according to the UP, but during the UP OCTA Research briefing earlier, the Sinovac vaccine could be more effective against other vaccines because of the platform. If we are going to talk about it technically, the vaccine platform for Sinovac uses an inactivated virus, while the others focuses on the spike protein of each virus. According to Father Nicanor Austriaco, the inactivated virus could be more effective as it uses or as it targets the whole part of the virus, unlike the other vaccines which targets the particular part of the virus, which is the spike protein. But it is also important to note that UP OCTA Research is saying that even though there are concerns about the lesser efficacy of these vaccines against the South African variant or other variants, they still recommend health workers and the general population to take any vaccines that is available, as it is still better than having nothing or having no protection at all. Charles?
All right, Greg, let's talk about which areas in Metro Manila have the highest number of cases so far, and are there any plans of shifting to another quarantine classification?
Charles, what the UP OCTA Research noted earlier are the top LGUs with rising cases in the NCR. These are Pasay, Quezon City, Manila, and Makati. Pasay is having the highest increase with the more than 2 reproduction rate, meaning more than 2 individuals may be infected from a positive individual. According to the UP OCTA Research, while they don't recommend for a whole lot new level of quarantine status, what they recommend is the efficient implementation of granular lockdowns, which the LGU of Pasay has been doing in the recent days.